Good morning, student. I, Kailash Sonal from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Shankar Vidyapit, Mount Abu. Welcome in my maths class. Student, today we are starting a new differential equation questions. The types of homogeneous differential equation. This type of differential equation, the function is given to you dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square upon 2xy. Before starting this topic, this question, we consult about the homogeneous function. Because this function is given to you in f x comma y, because this is the function of x comma y. Okay, so x square plus y square upon 2xy. So if we convert this function into lambda x comma lambda y, if we convert this function lambda x comma lambda y, and we get, that is the lambda x square plus lambda y whole square plus 2 of lambda x plus lambda y. Okay, now it will be clearly seen that, that is the lambda square is still common, then x square plus y square divided by 2xy from numerator also. It means lambda and lambda will cancel out, the order is power 0 and function is being fx comma. It means the function is shows homogeneous function. The lambda to the power 0, lambda to the power 0, it is shown that that is the homogeneous function. And this differential equation is shows that the homogeneous differential equation. Clearly? Okay. Now if we start, for this homogeneous differential equation we put y equal to vx. Which type of? Y equal to vx, because the function differential equation of order dy by dx. If here it is come dx by dy, then we put x is equal to vy. Is that clear? It is the x is equal to vy, but here it is put dy by dx is equal to this function, so here we put y equals to vx. Okay, now differentiate with respect to x, then we get differentiate with respect to x, then we get, what will we get? We get dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Is that clear? Dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Now if put at here, then v plus x dv by dx equal to here 1 plus v square divided by 2v. Okay, 1 plus v square divided by 2v. Now if we transfer v, then we get x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v square upon 2v minus v. Now after taking an LCM, then we get x dv by dx, x dv by dx equal to 1 plus v square minus 2v square divided by 2v. Okay, now finally x dv by dx equal to 1 minus v square divided by 2v. Okay, now this step is conversion into separation method. Okay, so we can easily separate the v terms and x terms. So if after the separation, here we get 2v dv upon 1 minus v square. Now that time we integrate dx by x. After taking common negative, there will be 2v dv upon v square minus 1 is equal to minus dx by x. Okay. Now here we clearly seen that if we assume v square minus 1 as a t, then 2v dv converted completely goes as a dt. So this type of integration we get log of v square minus 1 equal to minus log of x plus log of c. After the integration we get that term. Okay. Now after the transfer at here, log v square minus 1 dot x equal to log c. After taking anti-log, log and log will be cancelled out. So finally we have a step. A step is v square minus 1 into x equal to c. V square minus 1 into x equal to c. Okay. So if we put the value of y is equal to vx, then v is equal to y upon x. So we get y square divided by x square minus 1 into x is equal to c. So last, after taking an LCM, x y square minus x square, cause x and x will be cancelled out, then y square minus x square is equal to cx. So final our answer is y square minus x square equal to cx. So this type of homogeneous equation we can solve easily. This is the simplest question. I think you understood very well. Okay, thank you.